And we are back with another video. All right, guys, I'm back. Your boy Young's back in the building with another vid. So this video right here is just going to be short and sweet. I'm just want to show y'all something I picked up to put a fit together, and then I also have an unboxing. So if those who are Nike Plus members, you might have gotten a notification from Nike saying that there is a 20% off, like a spring cleaning sale. So with that, I was like, okay, let's see what they got on here. So I went to the hoodie section and I saw something I liked, and I was like, okay, this is going to come together real nicely. Y'all know how I do this fit stuff. So here we go. Wow. So this is the hoodie that I grabbed off of there. This is a Nike or a Jordan hoodie. As y'all see, it's a Tinker. It says Tinker and Jordan on it, and then it has like Tinker and Jordan and some of the Jordan emblems back in the day. So it's like on the sleeve. So as y'all see, it's like a dope touch. So yeah, I got 20% off on this hoodie. So this hoodie was like, I want to say it was like 40 bucks. It's good quality on it. I'd have liked it a little bit cheaper, like something around like 30, but I was like, I'll take it. I'm getting 20% off of it. So yeah, it was like $40 on there. So I grabbed that. So I grabbed this hoodie, as y'all see, to match these shoes right here. Bow! The Venom Green 10s. These are highly slept on. I love 10s, but this pair right here was highly slept on. So, I mean, I have a shirt and everything to go with this, shirt and hat, but I saw that hoodie and I was just like, yo, this goes perfectly. As y'all see, it goes very well with these. So I was like, grab that, show y'all the hat. Bow! You see that Venom Green? Dope, man. This is dope right here. And then like this watch right here. Wow. Right here. So yeah, man, I do this matching stuff. I'm telling you, nobody on YouTube's messing with me when it comes to this matching. I'm just keeping it 100. So now to the unboxing. So right here, I'm gonna unbox some shoes. Y'all already seen these. I'm super late with it. Here go the Nike receipt. And we're gonna pull them out right here. I just opened the box, make it quick. So as you see, it's a Jordan 1, size 10, my size. And it's these boys right here. The Crimson, plastics in the way, my bad, y'all. The Crimson Tint ones, as y'all see. Yeah, I like these a lot. I like the fact that it's a different color from Jordan brand. Like, this is not a color you see all the time, so it's nice. I feel like the leather quality on here is good. It's not as good as the Hyper Royals, Turbo Greens, or the Gatorade 1 leathers. It's not as good as those, but it's not bad either. Like, these are pretty cool. I like this colorway. I just need to get a shirt and a hat, and then we'll be good to go on that. So yeah, these green laces right here, them green laces, I don't need them. These pink ones, or crimson ones rather, I'm probably going to keep them. I may throw them in. My only knock on them is this: they got the green tip. As you see, they got the green tip. I don't get the purpose of that. I don't like that. But other than that, it's cool. Y'all seen these already, so I ain't going delve in it too long. Like, you see the insole, that's more like, that's more pink, like a hot pink, or you probably could even say it's an infrared. But yeah, so it's just like these right here, these are nice. They're definitely nice shoe, definitely a nice summer shoe. And segue into that, summer shoes, I've been challenged 3 times to do the Cinco summer shoes, that's going to be my next video. So I'm getting that together for y'all right now. I'm about to show y'all some heat. So y'all already know how I get down. I can show y'all some heat. Bottom right here with the Nike. But that is it. That's going to conclude this video. If you like what I'm doing, like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, at 500 subs, we will be doing a giveaway. So I need y'all help to reach that goal. So just help me out here. Show this to your friends, family, whatever. Just get them to sub up. We sub up. Quicker we sub up, quicker we get to that video. And without further ado, I am out of here, guys. Peace.